this experiment is basically all about measurements and angles. To start with, put your Perspex block on the piece of paper and draw around it, as you can see. You also need to add a normal line. Now, to make a normal line, you just use a protractor and you're going to plot a 90-degree line on your to one side of your block. Okay. You need to make sure this normal line extends through the block. The normal is going to be a reference line we use to measure our angles. Okay. Now we're going to do this for a variety of angles, but on this stage, at this point, I'm just going to show you one. So randomly, you need to just draw a line indicating where a ray of light will enter the glass block. When we've got that all in place, take your ray box, place your ray on your page, following the ray diagram that you've just made, and you're looking to find at which point the ray of light leaves the Perspex block. So it's quite hard to see. I should really turn the lights off, but you can see that the ray of light leaves the glass block at those 2 points. If we move our block out of the way, we can join these 2 dots up, and that shows where our ray left our block. So this is the incident ray as it enters our block. What we need to do next is add another 90-degree normal line to our block where the ray leaves, and by doing this we can use this as a reference to measure our angles. Also, what you need to do is join up the 2 points through the block to show how the ray changes. So as you know, with refraction, we're looking for how the ray of light behaves as it travels through the Perspex block. When we've got that in place, all we need to do is measure the relevant angles. We are interested in the angles from air to glass, okay, angle of incidence and angle of refraction. We are also interested in the glass to air section to see how the behaviour varies in that situation as well. So this is angle I, angle R, angle I, and angle R. As you can see, when light enters a block that is optically more dense, the ray will bend towards the normal. As the block leaves an object that's more dense into a less dense medium, the refracted ray moves away from the normal.